Welcome to our video on how to maintain your bathroom plumbing for longevity. In this video, we will provide you with some valuable tips to keep your bathroom plumbing in excellent condition, preventing costly repairs and ensuring long-lasting functionality. One crucial tip for maintaining your bathroom plumbing is regular cleaning. Over time, soap scum, hair, and other debris can accumulate in pipes and drains, leading to clogs and decreased water flow. Regularly clean your bathroom fixtures, drains, and pipes to prevent buildup and ensure optimal performance. Proper ventilation is essential for bathroom plumbing longevity. Excessive moisture can lead to mold growth, which can damage pipes and fixtures. Ensure your bathroom has adequate ventilation, such as an exhaust fan, to remove excess humidity and prevent moisture-related issues. While it may be tempting to use chemical drain cleaners for clogs, they can cause more harm than good in the long run. These aggressive chemicals can damage your pipes and lead to costly repairs. Instead, try using natural alternatives or consult a professional plumber for safe and effective solutions. Regularly checking for leaks in your bathroom plumbing is crucial. Even small leaks can lead to water damage and mold growth if left untreated. Inspect your faucets, shower heads, toilet connections, and pipes for any signs of leakage. Promptly repair or replace any faulty components to avoid further issues. Insulating your bathroom pipes is an excellent way to protect them from cold temperatures and prevent freezing, which can lead to pipe bursts. Use pipe insulation sleeves to keep the pipes warm and ensure proper water flow, especially in areas with low temperatures or inadequate heating. By following these tips for maintaining your bathroom plumbing, you can ensure its longevity and avoid costly repairs. Regular cleaning, proper ventilation, avoiding chemical drain cleaners, checking for leaks, and insulating pipes are all essential steps towards a well-functioning bathroom plumbing system.